Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can record a PC screen using ScreenPal software. You can go and type ScreenPal and then you can check the pricing of the tool. Scroll down and you can use it for free to record 15-minute videos. So simply go and click on sign up button, then sign up with Google account. Now you can select one of the option, then you can also skip it for now. So if you want to record anything, then you can go here and click on launch recorder. You can also take snapshots using this tool, and now you can select one of the option. For example, if you want to record only screen, then you can go with this option, and if you want to record only camera, then use the second option, and if you want to record both, then you can select this option. After that, click on the button record, then you can stop it. And if you want to share this recording with anyone else, then you can go and copy the link, and here you can see video link is copied, so you can go and share with anyone else.